Hi there, I am Astro Destroyer. I am back with a short topic on blockchain discussing about the 13 evolving and emerging uses for blockchain technology. So let's start. I had already made one video on blockchain and cryptocurrency where I had discussed about the importance, usages, protocols as well as the prospects of blockchain. Now coming to today's video, I made this video after I came across a recent article on blockchain about the future prospects and the usages of blockchain in diverse fields in the future. So I had provided the link for the article in the description, you can check that out. So let's move on to see the usages of blockchain. So the first use which we have is statistic transparency. So what does that mean? So in today's world, many songs are being streamed by millions of users all over the world at the same time on various streaming platforms. So in such platforms, a question of controversy still arises that what is happening to the songs which are being streamed? Are they used illegally or there is something other happening to it? So artists are not getting full control over due ownership. In this process, the transparency is not full and the streaming options are often so randomized that the listeners can get carried away to take undue advantage. Now when it comes to the artists, they are not getting the full dues of the songs which they publish or give to the streaming companies, or they are not getting the royalties or the acknowledgements which they should get, and above all they are not getting fully paid as per as the contributions of them to the streaming platforms. So that's why the blockchain technology can come into handy in this situation, where it can improve the transparency and keep records of all the plays of the songs and how many times each song is being played into a well organized database. So by this, the blockchain technology can prove to be very handy in this situation. So let's move on to see the second important usage, data collaboration and control. In corporate worlds, many enterprises often come together to enjoy mutual gains. But in some cases, the involvement of third party or middlemen can make a mess. They can often try to tamper or corrupt the main database or main records or main script of the whole company or collaboration. So in such a process, the blockchain technology can be useful and made use of to increase the transparency and see whoever is making changes in the whole process. And the changes will be directly reflected to all the enterprises who are involved in the collaboration. So let's move on to see some of the other usages. The third one is decentralized finance. So what is meant by it? So in today's modern technologically advancing world, the banking sectors are trying to resort to the decentralized finance method of banking, wherein the banks are trying to convert the banking assets into the software ones. So by this way, the users of the bank can easily keep track of the transactions or the ledgers which they are actually carrying on in various transactions in day-to-day life. While having the potential to enhance economic activity worldwide, decentralized financing apps can be vulnerable to hacks. So this is also a thing which we need to maintain if we can shift to this usage of blockchain technology. And the fourth one is supply chain management. In the whole process of transformation of goods from raw materials to finished goods, there are a large number of steps involved. Move on to the fifth one, which is finance and banking. Many banks are trying to improve their functionality and are also trying to incorporate the ideals of transparency as well as accountability into the whole system by taking ideals from the blockchain technology. So by incorporating those important ideals into the whole framework, the banks can try to become of more use to the users and can also improve their functionality. Now the sixth one is data privacy. Many times the companies require the user credentials or the user reviews for their own improvement or also to do some other work. This is not meant for data breaches, but it is just a general act of improvement. So in such cases, the blockchain can actually be of immense help to improve the transparency, especially where every user is in control of their own identity. So the seventh point is data connection. Blockchain will impact how businesses manage data. Companies will need to recognize that the data is transparent to all parties that participate in the blockchain. This will allow chain participants to potentially see all costs, transactions and inventory between competitors, suppliers and customers, allowing for a more fair and competitive market without regulatory and middleman cost. Now moving on to the eighth point, which is cross-industry data consolidation. So blockchain also has a very important feature, which is unification. So often in a system, often in a corporate world, many enterprises come together where they maintain cross-industry standards. So blockchain can prove to be of immense help in such a system to create a unified framework where all of them can actually try to maintain their work at the same time and also try to maintain the same standards. Many times discrepancies arise between multiple industries due to the cross-company standards. Blockchain can prove to be helpful in creating a single platform unified of all the standards maintained and create a transparent, unified as well as safe data storage network. Now come to the ninth point, which is user authentication. So in today's life, many users are having multiple accounts ranging from healthcare to banking. So blockchain framework can actually prove to be of immense importance by providing the users a distributed ledger to maintain all their transactions and details into a unified blockchain framework. So by this way, the users can actually come out of the hassle and tussle for maintaining different accounts for different purposes, and also they can improve the efficiency and security by improving the factors of blockchain or incorporating the factors of blockchain into the whole framework. Now coming to the next point, human resources. In any corporate world, there are two main people, the recruiter or the HR and the employee. So both of them can benefit from this blockchain technology. First of all, the HR or the recruiter can actually have a well-defined record or database of all the candidates or employees who are in their organization. And this can actually save them much time by validating the information or credentials of their employees. And finally, the employees can also benefit by having regular paychecks, and this can actually help them to avoid all the discrepancies. Now moving on to the 11th one, which is replacing passwords. In future, there is a huge probability that passwords will be totally replaced by blockchain framework and systems. So the passwords or the usage of passwords can become completely obsolete with the emergence of blockchain framework into the mainstream society. Now the 12th point is e-commerce. E-commerce is primed to be changed dramatically by blockchain. E-commerce has the benefit of taking place primarily in the same medium as blockchain and currently has multiple manners for accepting payments. Many e-commerce businesses have already implemented blockchain. Many mainstream global businesses have not yet implemented it but are considering it. Now the last point is electronic health records. In today's world, where there is a boom in the healthcare industry, where many people are falling sick and there is no provision or promise of healthcare systems improving, the blockchain can actually intervene into the situation and try to help the citizens or people out of the misery. So the blockchain framework can actually provide secure means of medicine transport and also the healthcare or personal health information confined to the medical experts of the patients can be actually made secure into a systematic framework where all of them can remain safe and within the strict supervision of all the medical personnel. So in this way, the blockchain can actually prove to be of major importance in this sector also. So that's all. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will come up with some other interesting topic. Until then, keep exploring.